English alphabet. Letter is A. The sound is apple. Again, the letter is A. The sound is Example, apple. Letter is B. The sound is ba. Example, ball. The letter is B. The sound is ba. Example, ball. Letter is C. The sound is ka. Example, cat. The letter is C. The sound is ka. Example, cat. Letter is D. The sound is da. The letter is D. The sound is da. Example, door. Again, the letter is D. The sound is da. Example, door. Letter is E. The sound is e. Example, egg. The letter is E. The sound is e. Example, egg. The letter is E. The sound is e. Example, egg. Letter is F. The sound is fa. Fish. The letter is F. The sound is fa. Example, fish. Again, the letter is F. The sound is fa. The example, fish. Letter is G. The sound is ga. Example, goat. The letter is G. The sound is ga. Example, goat. Again, the letter is G. The sound is ga. Example, goat. Letter is H. The sound is ha. Example, horse. The letter is H. The sound is ha. Example, horse. The letter is I. The sound is Example, ink. The letter is I. The sound is Example, ink. Letter is J. The sound is ja. Example, juice. The letter is J. The sound is ja. Example, juice. Letter is K. The sound is ka. King. The letter is K. The sound is ka. Example, king. Is L. The sound is la. Example, lemon. The letter is L. The sound is la. Example, lemon. The letter is M. The sound is ma. Example, monkey. The letter is M. The sound is ma. Example, monkey. The letter is N. The sound is na. Example, nut. The letter is N. The sound is na. Example, nut. The letter is O. The sound is o. Orange. The letter is O. The sound is o. Example, orange. The letter is P. The sound is pa. The letter is P. The sound is pa. Example, pen. The letter is Q. The sound is qua. Queen. The letter is Q. The sound is qua. Example, queen. The letter is R. The sound is ra. Example, rabbit. The letter is R. The sound is ra. Example, rabbit. Again, the letter is R. The sound is ra. Rabbit. The letter is S. The sound is sa. Example, sun. Again, the letter is S. The sound is sa. Example, sun. The letter is T. The sound is ta. ta. Example, tiger. The letter is T. The sound is ta, ta, ta. Example, tiger. The letter is U. The sound is ah. Umbrella. The letter is U. The sound is ah. Umbrella. Again. The letter is U. The sound is ah. Umbrella. The letter is V. The sound is va. Van. Example, van. The letter is V. The sound is va. Van. The letter is V. The sound is va. Example, van. The letter is W. The sound is wa. Example, window. The letter is W. The sound is wa. Example, window. The letter is W. The sound is wa. Example, window. X. The sound is x. The letter is X. The sound is x. The example here is in the word box. It's not the B, it's not at the beginning, it's the end of the word. The box. X. Okay? So you hear the sound here, box. The letter is Y. The sound is ya. The letter is Y. The sound is ya. Example, yo-yo. The letter is Y. The sound is ya. Example, yo-yo. The letter is Z. The sound is za. Example, zebra. Again, the letter is Z. The sound is za. Zebra. Thanks for watching. Prepared by Miss Noura Ghazali. See you in the next video, inshallah.